There is the kitchen. Very big area here. This one is just only the sticker. Normally everything is going to be white color. When the kitchen is ready, we peel off this sticker. This is the front of the villa. You can see it's very amazing view here. It's incredible. This is just only the second floor. You can see here the view. Amazing. Yeah, it's very beautiful, isn't it? The roof is, the ceiling is very nice. I'm gonna show you the upper floor. Yeah, the wood is very nice here. Enough space. Oh wow! Actually, we can see very good for sunset. This side is the west of the villa. There is the upper floor. Wow! You can see the views everywhere in the house. Okay, where shall we go first? Let's go to the bedroom here. There is a bedroom. And you can see a nice view, nice sunset from the bedroom. There is a little balcony. You can see here. I'll show you a bit of the bathroom. It's nice. Beautiful. Let's go to another bedroom. You see, it's absolutely amazing. Look like the poster or postcard. You see, incredible. Wow, it's nice. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? This is the master bedroom. You can see here. There is the glass. And it's nice, it's quite big space here. It's almost ready. You can see the view from the bath. You see here. Amazing, isn't it? So once again, the layout of this villa, 3-story building. And you can see, I will open this a little bit. Okay, oh, very good breeze. You can see here, that is located in the Choeng Mon Beach. When you come to the villa, you can see here is the parking. So that you can walk up here. The swimming pool is almost ready for the swimming pool. But inside is already like 90 or 95% ready right now. I am right now at the third floor, the top floor. Yeah, it is beautiful. You can see the scenery from the top floor of this villa. Green, nice. Hope you will like it. For more information about this villa or would like to visit this villa, please let me know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.